Hi everyone! So I did a collaboration with M's Nail Art. I will have her links down below. It was Neon Watermarble. So I'm using the Jungle Collection by Parrot Polish. I will leave a link down below to their website where you can purchase it. So I'm just going through to show you the different colors. These polishes work really amazing, along with many other indie brands. If you have any questions about them, please leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to help you. So the easy way for me lately is just using some Scotch tape, and I just grab a piece, wrap it around once like this, and then grab another one and do it on the top. I've been doing this because a lot of my latexes have dried out because I've had them for a few years. I found some that work, so I shook them up and I'm going to try them out later. But anyways, this is Yapa nail polish. They have so many amazing pretty cream colors, and now they have some other ones. I will link it down below. But I use that as a base. One coat, no top coat because it's just a water marble, you don't have to. And I use a white base coat to make the colors pop, so they'll be bright like right away. So you want to just get a big amount on your brush. Don't touch the water, but let the bead of polish, like the little droplet, just drop on the water. You want to get it close so it spreads, and if it doesn't, you just kind of give it a little tap. Water marbling for me came on pretty easy, but I know sometimes people have troubles. You can always DM me on Instagram and I can help you try and figure it out if you're having problems. But anyways, yeah, you just drop them in until you have a lot of circles. The more circles, usually the more detail and the brighter the colors, because you can see how it gets darker in the middle. But sometimes if you do too much and it doesn't spread, you'll just have like a big, huge gloppy mess. So this is a water marble tool from Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology. I always get the name all crazy, but I will link it down below, their website. I don't know if they still make it or not. I got it years ago. So I'm just doing a flower petal design. You can do any you want. You just pull it in from the outer rings, not the very outer ones because those are dry and it will mess up your whole design. So you definitely don't want to do that. And I want to thank M's Nail Art. Her name is Emily, for doing this with me. I am excited to get back into doing my nails. I've missed it. I've missed the friendships that I've made, talking and just hanging out and just knowing somebody understands your nail polish addiction as much as them. So yes, thank you again, and I'm so happy that we did this together. And I hope we can do more in the future. So again, her links will be down below, and she also has a picture at the end of my movie. So feel free to check it out and go check out her out. Also, in her video, I think she's doing one. If not, she definitely has pictures on Instagram. So yeah, any questions, leave me a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Check out my other channels, crafting and planners and stuff like that. So I'm gonna pop on some music, finish my nails, and have a good day. Bye. Oh wait, here, this is acetone. It's 100% acetone. I put additives in it so it doesn't dry out my cuticles, and it smells super good, but you only want to use this for cleanup, because that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning up, and that's the only thing it leaves. It's just the two little corners and a little bit underneath your nail. Tape works awesome if you don't have any latex. I've actually also used washi tape too. It's kind of funny. Anyways, but you don't want to use that on your stamping plates because it doesn't clean it good. So just clean up, and it doesn't dry out your nails. It's awesome and smells good. So anyways, okay, now this is goodbye. See you later.